Hey guys, in this second lesson we're gonna check out how to use the moving tool. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump straight into Photoshop and this is where we can check it out. The move tool is the first tool on top of the left. This tool is gonna allow us to move the image but not the canvas, so not the layer. So this is very interesting as soon as we need to obviously to play around with the image. So let's click on it, in this way we can start to see how it works. Now when I move it now, nothing's gonna happen because you're basically trying to move it when the background layer is locked. So what we need to create is we need to convert the background layer into a normal layer. Okay, so these always happen 99% when you open an image. So you can see, you click on, it gives you the opportunity to move the image around the canvas. Now the beauty of it, it also gives you the opportunity, as soon as we click the show transform, it gives you the opportunity to transform the image. Then we click confirm, and then or we just delete it, up to us, and then you transform. You can move the entire layer or the group, which is very easy. Now we got just one layer. Now we're gonna create a few different layers. Okay, so I just want to create some little patterns. So I'm gonna just create some dots. So we got the number 1. Let's create another, maybe a couple of them on one layer. Maybe we create another. Now when we got different layers into this, it's going to be very easy for us to move it. We click on auto select. So instead of selecting each layer and then transport it, we can just click automatically on top of the image and automatically will change the layer of each dot. Okay, so this is very quick, very interesting for us, because instead of going back and forward, we can just do everything in one go. Okay, as soon as you click on the original layer, it's selected. Then we can click the show transform control. We click on each dot on each layer technically, and we can easily transform, and then we can confirm it. Okay, so this is the beauty of the transport tool. The moving tool, again, it gives you this beautiful opportunity. Now we got all these little squares. What they do, we need to select a few more layers to access to them. So once we got all the layers, or two more, it basically gives you the opportunity to align them on the top, on the middle, on the bottom, obviously of the same levels of these layers. So this is kind of thing that is mainly used in design. I have to be honest, we don't really use them into the retouching process, so I not really use them. But again, it's a good thing to know and understand why they are there. But again, the transport tool is very interesting for these, because it gives you these beautiful options of play around without touching the canvas. Okay.